Anypoint MQ connector, Anypoint MQ subscriber source, circuit breaker architect states. Here you can see any circuit breaker states in Anypoint MQ subscriber source in Anypoint MQ connector. Circuit breaker has three states: closed, open, and half open. The behavior of the app changes based on the current state. Closed, the starting stage where the subscriber source retrieves messages normally from the MQ based on its configuration, effectively working as if the circuit breaker is not present. Closed open transition, when the number of failures occurs in session during messaging processing without success and reaches error threads value, the circuit breaker trips and circuit breaker transits to an open state. Messages that were already dispatched to the flow then finish processing regardless of whether the result is success or failure. Messages kept locally that are in flight for the broker but haven't been dispatched yet are not acknowledged and returned to the queue for redelivery to another consumer. Open, subscriber source doesn't attempt to retrieve messages and skip the iterations silently until trip timeout is reached. Half open, after trip timeout elapses, the subscriber source goes to a half open state. In the next poll for messages, the subscriber source retrieves a single message from the service and uses that message to check if the system has recovered before going back to the normal closed state. When the subscriber source successfully fetches a single message, dispatches it to the flow and processing finished successfully, subscriber source returns the normal and immediately attempt to fetch more messages. If the mule flow fails with one of the expected error types, the circuit goes back to an open state and reset the trip timeout timer. Here you can see start is connected to close, normal retrieval and processing of messages based on the subscriber strategy. Close is connected to open via errors count greater than or equal error threshold. Open, here you can see open, schedules messages fetch are skipped and no more messages are processed. Here open is connected to half open via trip timeout evicted, and half open is connected to open via single message failure. Here the half open retrieve a single message that and attempt to process it. Half open is connected to closed via single message success. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.